Welcome to Cisco Packet Tracer 5.3.8.3 Configuring Static NAT on a Cisco Router. The objectives for this activity is to configure the customer Cisco 1841 ISR to use static NAT. Then we'll verify the configuration. The customer needs to provide a global IP address for the customer server. Because the internal network has been configured with a private address range, static NAT is needed to translate the customer service private IP address to a public IP address. So after we configure NAT, static NAT, we'll verify the configuration using the ISP workstation to ping the customer server by pinging the global IP address. So first what we need to do is configure static NAT. So from the customer workstation, I'm going to connect a console cable and use the terminal emulation software to connect to the console of the customer Cisco 1841 ISR. So I'll go down to connections, grab a console cable, go from customer workstation to the customer router, and then I'm going to log into the terminal emulation software, click OK, hit enter, Cisco. Okay, now enter global configuration mode, so I'll just click on enable Cisco conf t. So from here we'll do interface, fast Ethernet 0/0, IP NAT inside, and exit. Now we're going to configure the serial interface as the outside NAT interface. So you just type in interface serial 0/0/0, IP NAT outside, enter, and then exit out of there. Then we'll configure the static NAT mapping that maps the internal 192.168.1.10 address to the 209.165.200.227 external address. So from here you would just type in IP NAT inside source static 192.168.1.10 209.165.200.227, then hit exit. And we'll close the terminal. So now we're going to verify the static NAT configuration. So from the ISP workstation, we'll open up the command prompt, and we will ping 209.165.200.227. And right now we're just checking to see if there'll be a connection from the workstation to the customer router, and as you can see we got a reply, so it worked.